Hello, how you doing? Going to make this really incredibly easy but beautiful soup. Carrots, sweet potatoes, curried, coconut milk. It's delicious. Vegetarian, vegan, welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this is super easy. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a coconut oil. You can change that if you want. 2 cups onion. 1 tablespoon garlic. Salt, pepper. 3 cups sweet potato. 3 cups carrots. 2 cups regular potatoes. Curry powder. 4 minutes above medium heat. Very simply, we're going to add some water. You can add stock if you want. I'm just going with water. You need enough water to just cover that up. We're going to bring that to a boil, set it on a rolling boil. You want them vegetables to be super soft. For me, I think that's going to take about 12 minutes. Beautiful, all really soft. Off goes the heat. Here comes 1 pint coconut milk, 1 cup cilantro or coriander. We're going to blend that up now. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Beautiful, smooth, but very thick. Check that for salt. That is delicious, I love that. Carrot, sweet potato, coconut, spicy soup, delicious.